It's now even easier to search inside of Exelare using zip codes. I'm going to show you a new feature we just released. If I click on Advanced Search, now in addition to be able to searching on zip codes and radiuses from those zip codes, like for example, if I wanted to do a search for all of the candidates within 250 miles of zip code 98199, I could enter that zip code, type in 250 miles here the distance, and hit Find. So this is bringing back a list of everybody that's within 250 miles of the zip code that radius that I entered, 112 candidates to be exact in my database. Now let's say I wanted to exclude a certain distance from that zip code, like I didn't want people in a certain range. So if I click on Advanced Search, I can take the same zip code and then enter it in the not in zip code area and choose a different range. Maybe this time I'm going to say not 10 miles. So I want to find candidates that are within 250 miles of this particular zip code, but not within 10 miles. So it's going to exclude candidates that are within 10 miles of the zip code distance. Now it's worth noting that in order to use the not in zip code function, you'll always want to have something entered here in the zip code as well. It doesn't really work without both. All right. So let's go ahead and hit Find. And now it looks like it narrowed that search down to just 29 candidates. So it excluded the ones that were in 10 miles radius of that particular zip code, but anybody between 11 miles and 250 miles, it included. This is nice when you're doing searches based on zip codes, maybe doing some bulk mails to candidates that are within a certain range, and then the next day you want to email people a little bit further out and further out and further out. Or maybe just you don't want candidates in a particular area, like this is a zip code in Seattle. So maybe you're looking for candidates that are located outside of the Seattle metro area, for example, and you can specify exactly how far they should be outside of the metro area, but within a reasonable driving distance of 250 miles. Okay? And that's it. Great new way to search with zip codes. If you have any questions, as always, please send an email to support@cbizsoft.com. Thank you so much.